How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't change the picture easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. And after you go to the apps manager, then go to apps again here in the top. Now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading and then scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, then click on it like this and it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is click on force stop. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to go to the data usage and make sure that those options are enabled like this. Go back again, this time click on the storage and then click on clear data. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.